categories of schools in terms of the work that has to be done. So in basic, the ones that require new buildings, approximately 48 lakhs per building will be sanctioned for that. So there are about close to 200 plus schools that are left. So that would be roughly, you can make the calculations, so 200 into close to about 50 lakhs per school. And then the different schools that are in different kind of conditions, some will require 2-3 lakhs, some will require 4-5 lakhs. So those assessments will have to be done. But we are looking at roughly anything between 200 to 300 crores in terms of the funds required to complete all the schools.